Hi everyone. So in the previous video we performed switchover where in the primary database server we changed the role to physical standby, and in the physical standby server we changed the role of the database to primary. So in node 2 the database is in primary, and it's in both the database, I mean production and physical standby is in sync. Yeah, in the node 1 the database is running as in physical standby. So in the previous video we performed switchover where we have seen that there are some steps to be followed. The same way we are just changing the role from physical standby to primary. So the same steps will be performing in the primary and standby server. So let us check in the physical standby, sorry, in the primary it should be showing as to standby. It's correct only. Now what we will do is we will convert this physical standby first to this primary server should be converted to the physical standby first. So alter database commit to switch over to physical standby with session shutdown. Once this is altered, we'll be starting up this in mount mode, and we'll be going back to the primary server. So as we know, it should be physical standby will be running in mount mode. So we'll wait for some time to come up the database in mount mode. So our database is in mount mode, and it should return as a physical standby now. So now we'll go to our primary, and we will check the status. The switchover status means to which mode to primary. So standby, it should return as primary only. So we'll be converting this standby to primary. Alter database commit to switch over to primary with session shutdown. Once this is altered, we'll open the database in open mode, and we will start the recovery in our physical standby. Oh, here we'll wait. It is taking little bit time actually. Wait for some time to be in open mode. Yeah, our database is altered now. Now we'll check the mode, and here we'll start the recovery. So here in node 1 again our database is changed as primary and is in read write mode, and in node 2 our database is changed to mount mode and physical standby. So we'll check. So we'll check select max sequence. It is 59 over here, and Yeah, it is 56. Let us wait for some time. Sorry, this is 58. Let us wait for some time and we'll again check the maximum sequence number. Yeah, it is showing us 58 only. So what we'll do is we'll turn we have switched one log file. It is waiting for 60. It is showing actually. Here also let us see what is the max sequence. Yeah, 60. It should come here as 60 only. I don't know why it is taking too much time. It is applying maybe now. It is closing 59 and closing 60. Okay, let us check. I've done a mistake actually. Yeah, fine. So current log sequence is 61. Let us check. It is applying log. Yeah, you can see applying log 60. That is why this max sequence where applied equals to y, it is showing as 59. So let us wait for applying this log sequence number 60, then it will come to sync. So after waiting some time, we could see the max sequence number of the primary database is 60, and here also max sequence number is 60, where applied equals to y means 60 also applied, and it is waiting for 61. Let us see once. Okay, yeah, fine. So this is how we switch back to our primary to standby to primary. So again we came back to node 1 as production server and node 2 as physical standby. So hope you have learned something from this video. So these two videos, like in active Dataguard series, switchover and switchback, this was an example when while configuring the active Dataguard environment, you will be able to understand or you'll be able to relate by that example. I mean, while configuring, you'll be getting like this parameter is used for this one. So you'll be able to relate those things with these examples. So if you have not watched my previous video, or links will be provided in the like end screen and also description, you can go and watch them. And if you have learned something, make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel. And if you have someone who is looking for practical examples for learning, you can share this video to them, because in my upcoming videos, not only Oracle, I'm planning to deploy videos on PostgreSQL and MongoDB. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll see you next video. Bye bye.